Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to go over setting up a render camera and our area light. Alright, so here we are in our perspective. What I want to do is I want to go to Panels, Layouts, 2 panes side by side. And this one right here is right now is top Y. I'm just going to go over to Panels, Perspective, New. If you look inside here in our original perspective camera, here is our new camera, Perspective 1. I want to click on it. We're going to click on it, name it Render Cam. This render cam right here, render cam that we just renamed, is going to be our shot, our composition shot. Something like that. Then we're going to go View, Camera Settings, Resolution Gauge. So anything within this box is going to be rendered. Anything outside is going to be clipped. So this is setting up, this is staging our composition for now. So let's say something like that. Okay. Then I want to lock this camera so that it doesn't move anymore. I'm going to go to Channel Box, left click up here. I'm going to drag while holding the left click. Now since it's all blue, I'm going to hit right click, lock selected. If you notice carefully, there's a gray box here. That means our camera shot angle is locked. Alright, so we set that up. Let me just kind of move this out of the way a bit and move my free camera. I want to open up my Arnold. Open Arnold render view. We all know that by now. I'm going to kind of scale it down. I'm just going to move this a bit. I don't need this camera. I don't need to see this background. I just need to see this render shot. So I'm just going to hide it like that. Okay. Next thing I want to do is make my area light. Arnold Lights Area Light. Look here, it says AI Area Light. If you don't see your outliner again, just in case, just this tab, click, here's our outliner. Alright, so I don't see, oh, there it is over there. I'm gonna hit W, is for the move tool. I'm gonna pull it out. If you look carefully, you see this little line? That's where it's aiming at. Then I want to go manipulate my area light, so I'm going to go to Attribute Editor. Let me move this out of the way. One thing you should know is with area lights, the intensity needs to be cranked to 100 and the exposure should be at least at a 1. But first, let me save this image right here so we can see the before and after. That's this little icon box with the camera icon. So we saved it. So this is before. Okay, so now we're gonna go intensity. I'm gonna make it 100. Okay, right now it's not updating because I have the interactive renderer turned off. But also I want my exposure to be set at 1. Now I'm gonna go back to renderer, update full scene. Here's our shot. Also render, run IPR. That's our interactive rendering. And then, okay. So let me turn this. Turn this off. So this is before. This is after. You see how it made that little bloom over here? That's from this. Now look what happens if I were to hit R on my area light and I'm gonna scale it up. See? Now it becomes more of a diffused, gradiated, specular highlight. Saw that? There's shrinking it back back down. That makes for a tighter, hotter reflection. Now I'm just gonna bring it back up. Okay. Then I'm gonna hit this over here to save our image. So that is your area light. So key thing you should gather is the intensity should be 100, exposure should be at least at a 1. Again, this is our on-off switch. Okay. And we can also go here, update full scene, just to make sure that it's fully refreshed. And that's pretty much it for the area light. Next chapter, we're gonna make some more area lights to make for a backlight or a rim light. Okay. Yeah, so that's the end of this tutorial.